Some friends asking me how to set the passenger mode or the normal mode for the device. Actually, it's very easy. Just normally open the device, okay? If you set the password or card, here I set is the password. And now, press 5 and the pound key. Okay, the passenger mode, the normal mode is turned on, is enabled. So at the moment, under this kind of status, you alight the handle or lift the handle, load the password, card or key to unlock the device. So just to like this will unlock the device. So how to turn off this mode is very easy. Just to unlock the device by the pin finger password or card again. Okay. Disable. It means this passenger mode, normal open mode, is turned off. So you can see we cannot unlock, right? So we need to unlock the device. You need to put the password, finger or card. Yeah, it's very easy, right? So we can set it again, okay? So under this status, we're loaded to input the password or card or finger, just the normal open, okay?